If you want to do this pretty, shimmery, smoky-eyed look, which is perfect for parties, shadis, then keep on watching.
Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna show you like a beginner friendly shadi look that you can do by yourself. It's very easy to do and all of the products I'm using are also again very affordable, very easy to get in India. अगर आपकी स्किन मॉइस्चराइज नहीं है तो आपका जो फाउंडेशन है हमेशा केक ही लगेगा. दिस इज द बेस्ट हैक फॉर ऑयली स्किन पीपल. वट एवर मॉइस्चराइजर यू नॉर्मली यूज, जस्ट यूज दैट एंड मिक्स like 1 or 2 drops of Cetaphil moisturizer. I have my makeup kit right here. First step should be a primer and this is my favorite primer. It's the Nykaa Prep With Me primer. ये मैटिफाई कर देता है स्किन को और पोर्स को ब्लर कर देता है. उससे आपकी स्किन बहुत फ्लॉलेस लगती है. And forehead and my chin. My favorite foundation up to this date. I use the shade 128. Put like dots on your face, all over your face. इतनी ठंड हो गई है और अभी शादियों में लहंगे पहन के जाना पड़ेगा, हालत खराब हो जाएगी. Honestly, use a sponge, not a brush. Sponge will always give you a smoother application. As a beginner, इससे बहुत ज़्यादा easy भी होता है. You just have to dab. हल्का हल्का सा अंडर आइज पे भी करेंगे, बहुत हल्का हल्का सा. I will add a little bit more. For concealers, I normally use these 3. The Swiss Beauty Perfect Concealer, Maybelline Age Rewind. This is more for like an everyday natural look. And the Fit Me, we will use the Swiss Beauty Concealer. I would just recommend to use it like right on the under eyes. Cause take my finger and I spread the concealer and then you wanna wait for a few seconds for it to dry down. This is the easiest way to do your eyebrows. Eyebrow pencil, eyebrow gel, किसी चीज की जरूरत नहीं है. You just need an eyeshadow palette जिसमें brown और black हो. Brush your eyebrows up, close up for this. These are my natural eyebrows by the way. I don't like to shave them. पतला सा ब्रश लेना है, black and the brown. We will keep doing them at the same time because that's the best way to make them even. फिर नीचे करेंगे. Front sections के लिए you wanna dip your brush बस एक बार. इधर से start करो. फिर जो भी product is left, you just wanna make a little line. Brush it up. बहुत slightly क्योंकि आगे के sections should be a little bit lighter than बाकी के eyebrows. And then brush. Now you can see the eyebrows, they are very like natural but तब भी precise है. Now we will take the sponge and we will blend out the concealer. I'm like मजा आता है. Honestly, my favorite step in my makeup is blending my makeup क्योंकि it's so therapeutic. Now you can see how good the coverage is. If you're doing a proper foundation look, always do a cream blush and फिर एक powder blush. So I love using this one from Maybelline, Sun Kisser. Like a dot angled brush. हमेशा ब्लश यहाँ पे कम होना चाहिए, यहाँ पे ज्यादा होना चाहिए and it should go towards like this. जब तुम सामने देखोगे तो यहाँ पे ब्लश दिखेगी. Always blend यहाँ पे. जो भी थोड़ा सा प्रोडक्ट ब्रश पे बच जाए, just bring it इधर हल्का हल्का. You can add more if you want more. अगर तुम आई लुक कर रहे हो तो don't go with बहुत ज्यादा ब्लश क्योंकि फिर वो बैलेंस नहीं हो पाता. It looks a lot like in the middle of your face and you can see immediately it makes you look so pretty. Absolutely my favorite part. कुत्ते भौंक रहे हैं बाहर, चुप ही नहीं होते ये कुत्ते. कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर. यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज अ सेटिंग पाउडर अगर तुम्हारी स्किन बहुत ज्यादा ऑयली है बट क्योंकि अब विंटर्स हो गए तो मेरी स्किन थोड़ी सी ड्राई हो गई है तो आई एम गोना यूज अ कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर. एंड डोंट वरी, आई विल लिंक एवरीथिंग डाउन बिलो विद द शेड नेम. टेक अ पाउडर ब्रश लाइक दिस. टेक योर कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर ऑन द फोरहेड, चिन, nose. If you are a beginner, do not do contour because it will be very hard for you to shape the contour well and blend it well. तो इसलिए I would just say use a bronzer instead. थोड़ा सा लेना है and it depends on your face shape. My forehead is like rectangle, तो इसलिए I like to put a little bit over here. It will give a shadow of a rounder face. Jawline. And if you have chubby cheeks, you can also apply just a little bit over here. Blush से थोड़ा नीचे, right around here. We are back. मेरा memory card full हो गया था. I'm gonna use the Sugar Cosmetic blush. If you are around my skin tone, this is actually the perfect color of blush. बहुत ज़्यादा pinky भी नहीं है, बहुत ज़्यादा orangey भी नहीं है. It's like a mauvey blush. बहुत light-handed. Focus more इधर, and then whatever is left, a little bit over here. Now comes the main part, which is the eye look. Simple एक look बताने वाली हूँ तुम लोगों को जो तुम बहुत easily कर सकते हो weddings पे और बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. A brown eye shadow या फिर you can use your bronzer also. Put it on your eyes. I need a mirror for this. कैमरे के उसमें देख के मैं literally इतना पूरा मेकअप कर रही हूँ. This will be a neutral look, तो ये तुम किसी भी कलर के आउटफिट के साथ भी कर सकते हो. थोड़ा सा नीचे. We will take a slightly darker brown color, which is this one. This is the perfect basic palette. So as a beginner, I think you should get this palette. A little bit of it on our brush के टिप पे लेंगे. Keep rotating it. थोड़ा सा इधर भी लाएंगे. यहाँ पे light brown and going towards here it's dark brown. You can see how I created this like smoked eye sort of a look. Repeat on the other eye immediately. You can see it's like a smoked look. We will dip it in brown and the black. You see that? Smoked eyeliners are always way easier to do than regular eyeliners. And then we will do this like a kajal. You can see the difference. Then we will take a kajal, or we will only apply it on half of the eye. This video will take me like 20 hours to edit. Half. That is how it looks. Our last step will be shimmer palette. I will take all of the shimmers, apply. We will also apply it on the inner corners. So my camera died, so I have to film from my phone. This is how the eye looks. I'm just gonna curl my lashes. I always cry curling my lashes. We're gonna apply some mascara. I'm gonna use the Sky High one. Because the eye makeup is so heavy, we will go light on the lips. We'll go in with my favorite lip liner. I will use a little bit of a brown lipstick here and mix it up. As you can see, it's very natural. And last step, we're gonna do a lip gloss. So yeah, that is the entire makeup look. I hope you guys liked it. This look is you can do with like a traditional outfit, a western outfit, shadi, sagai, on your birthday. It's so like versatile and it's the classic like Gen Z, very edgy look. I absolutely love it. This is my favorite look. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a like and subscribe to my channel as well. So I'll see you guys in the next one.